Hi guys, if you're planning to get this Panasonic PT-RZ890WU7 1DLP laser projector, make sure to check the link in the description. So this is not your typical home projector. Not even close. This is a professional-grade projection system designed for large-scale environments where failure is not an option. We're talking about conference halls, universities, auditoriums, museums, exhibition centers, and high-end commercial setups where image clarity and reliability are absolutely critical. Right away, the biggest headline feature here is brightness. You're getting 8,500 lumens, which is extremely powerful. In real-world use, this means you don't need a fully darkened room to get a usable image. Even in bright, well-lit environments, the projection remains visible, punchy, and easy to read. That alone puts it in a completely different league compared to standard consumer projectors. Then you've got WUXGA resolution, 1920 by 1200. And that extra vertical resolution compared to regular full HD actually matters a lot in professional environments. Whether you're showing presentations, data sheets, graphs, or educational content, everything looks more structured and easier to read. Text stays sharp, visuals stay clean, and nothing feels cramped on screen. On top of that, it accepts 4K input signals. So even though it's not a native 4K projector, it still integrates smoothly into modern workflows. If you're feeding it 4K content from media players, laptops, or professional video systems, it handles the signal without issues, making it much more future-ready. Now, one of the biggest upgrades here is the laser light source. Unlike traditional lamp-based systems that degrade over time and need replacements, this uses laser technology for long-lasting performance. That means more consistent brightness over time, lower maintenance costs, and far less downtime. For businesses and institutions, that reliability is a huge advantage. Color performance is also very well tuned. Panasonic has focused heavily on maintaining accurate and stable color reproduction. So instead of overly saturated or washed out visuals, you get a more balanced and professional image output. That matters a lot when you're presenting real business data or high-quality media content. Installation flexibility is another strong point here. Professional environments are rarely simple. Different room sizes, ceiling heights, throw distances, and mounting conditions all come into play. This projector is designed to handle that complexity, making it easier for AV installers to get precise alignment and optimal image positioning. And when you look at long-term usage, durability becomes a key factor. This projector is built for continuous operation in demanding environments. The internal cooling system, laser engine stability, and overall build quality are designed to support long hours of use without performance drops. Connectivity is also built for professional integration. Whether you're connecting to conferencing systems, media servers, presentation laptops, or AV control setups, it fits into existing workflows without friction. Now the real question is, who is this actually for? If you're a home theater user, this is probably way beyond what you need. But if you're managing a business, school, university, government facility, event space, or any large installation where performance and reliability matter every single day, then this starts making a lot more sense. Because what you're really investing in here isn't just brightness or resolution. You're investing in stability, long-term performance, and professional-grade output that holds up under pressure. When you combine 8,500 lumens of brightness, WUXGA clarity, 4K input support, laser durability, and installation flexibility, you get a system that's clearly built for serious professional environments. At the end of the day, this projector is focused on one thing: consistent, high-quality projection at scale. And in that category, it performs exactly as expected. If you're planning a serious AV setup and need something reliable for long-term use, this is definitely worth a close look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you want to buy the Panasonic PT-RZ890WU7, check the link in the description.